Hello future MBA aspirant. Welcome back to VerbalHub. In today's videos, we are going to talk about everything you need to know to ace the SNAP exam. One of the most important steps toward the MBA dream. If you are preparing for SNAP 2024, then stay tuned as we will break down the syllabus, give you effective preparation strategies and share expert tips to help you crack this exam. The SNAP exam is conducted by Symbiosis International University and is a gateway to some of the top MBA programs in India. It's a fast-paced 60 minutes exam, making time management crucial for your success. If you are aiming for top MBA schools, this test is a must. First, you should know about SNAP exam syllabus and pattern. First thing first, let's dive into the SNAP exam syllabus. SNAP consists of 3 sections: General English, Analytical and Logical Reasoning, and Quantitative Data Interpretation and Data Sufficiency. This SNAP pattern has changed over the years, so staying updated is key. Section-wise preparation strategies. Now for the General English sections, focus on building a strong vocabulary, grammar, and reading comprehension. Reading daily will help you here. Moving to Analytical and Logical Reasoning, practice puzzles and logical questions. The key here is pattern recognition and speed. Finally, for the quantitative ability section, focus on mastering shortcuts, arithmetic, algebra, data interpretation. Number 3, time management and question solving tips. With just 60 minutes for the entire exam, the time management is everything. The best way to improve is by practicing under time conditions. Begin with easier questions in each section and come back to trickier ones later. Don't get stuck on one question. Number 4, SNAP exam analysis and previous year's paper review. Reviewing previous year SNAP papers is a gateway to understand the exam pattern and question types. Analyze them to identify high weightage topics. This will help you streamline your preparation for the most critical areas. Make sure you are solving at least one previous year paper per week to get familiar with the exam style. Number 5, expert advice and study materials. Here is a quick look at some essential SNAP study materials that you should have on hand. Popular guidelines, how to prepare for logical reasoning for CAT and SNAP, and quantitative aptitude for competitive examination are highly recommended. Additionally, joining SNAP online courses can give you access to curated content and personalized support. Now, how to get free SNAP exam related videos and tutorials. Looking for free SNAP exams content, many platforms offer SNAP exam related videos and tutorials at no cost. You can find full-length mock test videos and section-specific tutorials on YouTube or websites offering free resources. If you are on tight budget, these free resources can help you get started on right foot. How to guides and listicles. To make things easier, here are some quick guides you can follow for focused preparation. 10 SNAP exam prep tips. Review top tips for efficient studying, including time management, practice, and how to prioritize topics. SNAP success stories. Read or watch case studies of students who have aced the exam and learn from their strategies. Finally, let's quick recap. First, understand the SNAP exam syllabus and SNAP pattern. Then focus on section-wise preparation, practice time management, and solve previous year's paper regularly. Don't forget to check out free SNAP exam videos for extra help. Need more help? Check out the links in the description for the best SNAP exam preparation resources, including free tutorials, mock tests, and study guides. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss our next videos on SNAP and other MBA entrance exam. Last but not least, remember, consistency is key. Start your SNAP exam prep today and keep pushing yourself. Good luck. I'm sure you will do great.